listening to the Tony Gebhardt Show, man. Enjoy.
And I say, okay, this is Sparky. It will then refer to, oh, hey, Sparky is moving there, do that. So you can do the same with Norris.
So it has memory, and
it's only currently only remembers the session, but let's see what we can do to make it remember more.
wow. I know it's absolutely impressive. I mean, first of all, congratulations with PiccyBot's continued acceleration to catching up nonstop with AI. And yeah, I just tested it a little bit ago. We'll drop a demo here. I'll edit a demo into the podcast. It's absolutely amazing. Lack of needing to prompt it was incredible. I walked around my yard, had it describe different scenes, turned my head. It was very quick to respond. Just, I mean, it's a huge step. I mean... Yeah. Wow.
And the thing is, actually, it's still pretty slow. I mean, it still takes about 3 seconds or so to catch up. I'm thinking of, adjusting that further. Actually, the Android version is even faster. But the thing is that I haven't been able to get that to work properly with the glasses yet. But the Android standalone is even better than the iOS one at the moment. So it's really the next step forward. I think this type of feedback.
It seems to be the standard. And just a quick note here: we're talking to Martijn van der Spek, the incredible developer of PiccyBot, an amazing accessible app that you can download from the Play Store or App Store to describe videos, photos, and right now in beta with the live access, which is just incredible. It's good to have you back on the podcast.
It's a pleasure to be here, Tony. And another thing is, just recently we've added other media in PiccyBot as well, so you can also do PDF description. I mean, it's really, since last time we spoke. What has been added? All kind of things actually. It's been almost a year, I think.
It's been almost a year since we last talked and caught up about the app. Absolutely.
I'm glad that we that PiccyBot won the Applefish Golden Apple Award.
Congratulations! Absolutely.
Thanks. And now, I think this live AI is, I mean, it's fascinating. The only thing is that, it's now a matter of, this is just the first version. It will only get better. I mean, it has glitches at the moment. You're currently in beta, and what we are trying to do is remember what it has seen so far, and now sometimes it messes up, so you will get a description that is not yours. Initially, I don't know if you've noticed that, but it's sometimes made some mistakes, and it does hallucinate sometimes. I also want to try to reduce that. I've had some comments in the community already, like, oh no, people are going to depend on this too much, and it will be dangerous. And
I think that just comes with a disclaimer, just generalized disclaimer for the end user that say, hey, this is not a replacement to a guide dog or a mobility cane, right?
Exactly. But it is. I mean, especially now with the glasses. I mean, you would be able to have your guide dog and the glasses, and then work in tandem together. I think it's perfect.
It's incredible. And to users who are currently using the first generation glasses, the beta testing right now is just incredible. I mean, again, as you said, 2 to 3 second wait time on the responses, and it works great on the first generation glasses. So anyone who hasn't gotten the Gen 2, it's pretty good for compatibility and works fantastic.
Yeah, and honestly, I'm actually looking for other glasses as well, because the only thing that I need is just a video feed from any device. Actually, I mean, it works fine on the phone by itself as well. It is,
Sure.
but of course, then you don't have the hands-free experience. It is, but if we could have any economical
Like an external camera,
yeah, anything like that.
Bluetooth camera.
Just anything that is, well, as long as it has a microphone, it has speakers, and it has a camera, yeah, it will work. But
Well, you know, a few things come to mind. Just really looking at the grounds that you've laid out already. One being memory, right? You know, I could see this really being helpful for orientation and mobility. So let's say an end user is lost, they can use PiccyBot almost to say, "Hey, where am I?" And say, "Oh, you're at the corner of Jackson and Phillips Street. You go forward and take a right, and then another left." Right? You know what I mean? So it has that memory of images and video that it's sort of taken in snapshots, right? So it could be great for that, or as we were discussing earlier, like when we take photos of our dogs or friends and say, "Oh, Sally's in the corner in the back right, you should say hello." Right? You know.
Exactly. Yeah. Be more. Yeah. Well, let it come from PiccyBot itself instead of you having to ask, okay, who is in the room? Oh, it is Sally. No, no, no. If you,
Right.
initiate that already. It's that's all. Yeah, it's all coming, but it's a new platform. This is a new new starting point almost. This and yeah, I'm really excited. I mean, everyone I mean, whether people are blind or are seeing this, they will understand that this is a big thing. This and yeah well. The good thing is also now that with the Meta glasses you have a live AI, but that only works in certain regions, in the US only, I think, or maybe in the UK. I'm not 100% sure at this. And it's also using only Meta AI. So yeah, with PiccyBot we have so many different AI models and different voices. It is I'm
Sure.
also yeah I'm I'm here locally. I'm based in India. I'm trying to do something. Make a very economical setup for Indian blind users who will then have. That's why I'm looking for other types of devices then, because even the Meta glasses are pretty pricey for the average average user here.
Sure.
But even some cheap Chinese basic model that as long as it has a camera and a speaker and a microphone, it will work. It is and then combine that with, because another thing is that it will actually catch your accent. It's very a bit frustrating for me, because it will sometimes start to speak in Dutch to me, because it says, "Oh, you must be you're a Dutch speaker," and it is it will start to have all discussions like that. And no, please speak in English. I'm
Right.
doing the
Oh my
demo.
goodness.
But that's another thing that is really worldwide. This is a good thing. I feel, I mean, honestly, AI has had a lot of bad press over the last the last years now. And these type of applications are, nobody can complain that everybody will accept that this is a very, very useful tool to
It's
yeah
competitive as
yeah
well, you know. I've interviewed other folks and brought other developers onto this platform to discuss kind of what they're doing. And you know, it's it's funny, ever since PiccyBot came onto the scene, you know, there's been others, and the influence is very strong. I feel like you're helping to lead the way with Be My Eyes and other developers, both big and medium sized that are really trying to expand accessibility, not put it in a box, that's proprietary, which, validating a comment that you made, with the Meta glasses, yes, they are expensive. And then too, when you look at Meta AI, you mentioned that it's, only available in certain regions of the world. But as you mentioned, I mean, this is an opportunity to connect to multiple different devices. As you said, knock off Chinese brands. Something that you buy off of Temu for $20. And it works and it does what it's supposed to do. So really, you're really fostering the movement towards global accessibility and not just competitive accessibility.
Right, exactly, and it's good. Well, everybody, the fact that there are multiple developers all trying to do basically similar things but from different angles is a good thing, because we're all learning from each other, even in a competitive way. Like, okay, so these guys are doing it offline. Oh, maybe we should add an offline model to PiccyBot as well. And then, I mean, you get inspired. Or the guys from Stripe Me, they're doing this live AI. No, and the thing is, as you know, I've been working with or trying to get this done actually with the Meta glasses for a long time. Earlier with the WhatsApp workaround, and the WhatsApp service of PiccyBot is still running fine. But it's a clumsy way. It is, and now this is going. This is very, very direct. This, but we have to be careful. Make sure that it is working well. Let's also be clear that it is an expensive service, and we have to really look into how to manage this within the cost structures that we have, and see how what we can offer in a way that it is economical for the end user, and at the same time is affordable for us as developers. So it's always a balancing act, but one thing it is definitely, and the technology is great now. It's just a matter of putting it all together and getting it in the right package, to the to the end user. And it is and for that, now I hope actually now you're officially part of the beta testing team of PiccyBot, because
thank you again for that. Happy to contribute. Absolutely.
Because but seriously, you're one of the first, and your feedback will be very valuable, because finding out where these type of applications shine is important. And I feel that right now, even though the lag is only a few seconds, it's still not perfect for when you are moving around outdoors. It is or we can I'm thinking of making it such that it will compare, and whether then the image is relative or the view is relatively stable, then to describe it, instead of describing something and then describing something again, but actually what it described what's happened just happened, and then you can get a bit confused. So there is definitely, there are things to improve, but it's already pretty nice as it is.
Amazing. Wow. Incredible, Martin. Well, thank you again for your contributions to assisting really in accessibility and live artificial intelligence. I mean, it's the new thing right now, and it's the big one. And we are certainly anticipating what is to come with PiccyBot. And before we close out, what can you share with listeners and users of PiccyBot and the Meta Ray-Ban glasses and other technology associated, and how they can be involved, how they can contribute and be with you along in this journey? Because I know you're very active in the communities and social media spaces. So how can people be helpful with this?
Well, first of all, please, download PiccyBot, even the free version, and just check everything on pickybot.com. Join the PiccyBot group on Facebook, and wherever you are, just I mean, even on Reddit or on the Apple Viz forum, I'm there. I will, if there's any question, I will pick it up or contact me on LinkedIn. Anywhere actually, it is if you look for PiccyBot on Google, that's the one advantage of the name is that it's rather unique. Although if you have to spell it right, that's the whole problem of.
I think people want to type PIXY.
That is the thing. Yeah, that's the thing. I registered the domain PiccyBot at some point because it became, but it is not. It is PICCY Picky and then BOT. But then there's lots of talk about it, and you can learn about it, and please contact me. It is send officially the form either in the app or on the website are the best ways to do that, so that I will definitely catch it.
Perfect. And again, stick around to the end of the episode where we will have a live demo of what is being tested right now in the beta for PiccyBot. We'll edit that in. And Martijn, thank you so much again for sharing with what's going on. You're probably one of the most reoccurring guests, which is awesome. So we'll do this again in 8 to 12 months. As always.
I'm really happy to be able to keep on just for improving this app. Of course, I was working on other apps for the blind and low vision community earlier, but now I'm really focusing on PiccyBot. It is slowly and surely it is getting better and better. And that's the point.
Very
sometimes
good.
You have to sometimes there is a step back because then something happens with one of the models or something or whatever. But then we will find a way to get around that. It is keep following PiccyBot.
Perfect. Thank you, Martijn, and thank you for listening to the Tony Gebhardt Show. Martijn, we'll be happy to have you back on.
Thanks, Tony. Have an amazing evening, and take care.
You are looking at a corner of a room with plain walls. There is a window to your left, partially covered by blinds. There is a laptop computer open on a desk in front of you with an audio program visible on the screen. A large speaker is to your left and a microphone is to your right.
Can you see those guitars over there?
Yes, I can see a few guitars leaning against the wall to your right, past the desk. They are next to a window with blinds.
All right, how many fingers am I holding up?
You are holding up 2 fingers. You are positioned in front of a keyboard and the laptop computer. Your hand is currently resting on the keys.
All right, what do we got?
You are holding up a thumbs up in front of a speaker and a window with blinds.
Thanks again to Martijn for coming to the episode. Again, go to PiccyBot.com, PiccyBot.com, or download the app on the App Store or Google Play Store.